Tired of worrying about what your kids are watching on YouTube TV? Today, we're diving into a super simple way to set up parental controls on YouTube TV, so you can breathe easy knowing your little ones are only seeing age-appropriate content first. Grab your remote and navigate to your profile icon in the top right corner of the YouTube TV home screen. Select your profile, then scroll down and click on Settings. This is where all the magic happens. Next, look for the Family tab and click Set up Parental Controls. Now, you'll see an option to select a profile. Choose the profile that belongs to the child you want to manage. Here, you'll have the key choices: either set content restrictions based on maturity ratings or create a dedicated kids profile. Setting content restrictions allows you to filter content based on the film's and TV ratings. Choose the restrictions best suitable for your child. The other option is creating a dedicated kids profile. Select the profile you wish to enable the kids profile and follow the prompts. The content on this profile will only have kid-friendly content. Now, you can relax knowing your kids are enjoying YouTube TV in a safe and controlled environment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV tips and tricks.